In this video, we're installing Maxpeedingrods upper control arms with camber adjustment on a 2008 Chrysler 300C LX. Let's start by taking a look at what's included. On the new control arm, we have a threaded adjuster here. After the installation, this will let you change the length of the control arm to adjust the rear wheel camber. We also have Zerk grease fittings for the bushings. Then we have the control arm for the other side of the car, a manual and a Maxpeedingrods sticker. Before the installation, be sure to install the Zerk fittings and grease the bushing. Before we get started, let's take a look at the tools we'll need for this job. We'll need an impact wrench, an 18mm wrench, a long ratcheting wrench, a torque wrench, a socket extension, a 21mm socket, an 18mm short socket, and an 18mm deep socket. The first step in the installation is to use the 21mm socket to remove the rear wheel. Then we'll need the 18mm wrench and the 18mm socket mounted on the extension. We'll use them to remove the nut on the outer end of the upper control arm. Next, we'll use the 18mm wrench and the 18mm socket on the extension with our long ratcheting wrench to remove the nut and bolt on the inner end of the control arm. Then we can remove the bolts and remove the old control arm. Before installing the new control arm, don't forget to install the Zerk fitting and grease the bushing. Now we can put the new upper control arm into place. We'll install the bolt first, and then thread on the nut. For the outer bolt, we can use the impact to get it in place if needed. We'll tighten up the nuts and bolts with the 18mm wrench and the 18mm socket mounted on the extension. With both ends of the new control arm mounted, torque the control arm mounting bolts to 98 Nm. If you're using a lift, lower the car, and then we can reinstall the wheel. We'll tighten the lug nuts with the 21mm socket, and finally torque the lug nuts to 135 Nm.